Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing this beautiful Samsung earphone. It is a wired earphone, okay, and it is a beautiful package. I have this beautiful box with me, which is a Samsung EHS 64 model, and I have bought it for 429 rupees from the Chroma store from my city nearby, okay. So I'm going to unbox this and let's just look at the box, the details. Let me just unbox it, okay, first. It is somewhat tricky to unbox this because it is beautifully packaged box. Okay, so here is the beautiful black, glossy at the same time matte wired earphone. It is a Samsung wired earphone. Very simple, very sober, and here are the extra earbuds you can use, okay. You can adjust according to your ear size. And here it is. Let me take it out of the plastic cover. It looks so beautiful. The color is very good. So here it is. It is a Samsung branding on the earphone, very beautifully written, okay. Earbuds, plastic earbuds. But this is the problem actually. This joint is the problem. I will show you in the end in just a moment, okay. Here it is a mic with volume increase decrease button, on off button, and here also it is a joint problem. I will compare it with my old earphone very soon. So this is my old earphone, the same model in white color. See, this is the problem. It just break down this joint. Even if you are using it very, not using roughly. If your use is not rough, then also it just break down. I mean, in 4 to 6 months. Let me compare the both mic, okay. Here it is. Everything is very good, the color, the design, but the only problem is this joint. So I will have to do something for this joint. I will wrap the sellotape, Anyway, let me talk about the color. If you buy white color in this, then it will you will have to clean it occasionally actually. It just gets dirty very easily. But if you go with the black color, then it will look good. You will not have to clean it, and it is very light in weight, very light. It's very easy to use. It just fit in your ear very easily, and it will not fall while you are walking, okay, while you are running also, and you will enjoy listening it, okay. Thank you.